Okay, I have to put a forward to this video that you're going to watch. To be fair, the CanAm that we are racing that belongs to Dean is like 12,000 pounds heavier than ours. So, you know, it's going to be slower. He has like a quadruple enforced windshield, cargo box that has all kinds of ammo and weights. You know, he got the heaviest tires that he could. The wheels are, I don't know exactly the material they're forged from, but it's whatever is like the heaviest metal. That's what he got. I mean, he had him, I mean, he's so extreme. Like the paint job, he had him add like 12 coats of paint too, just to chip proof, but that adds weight. You know, Ricky had just eaten a bunch of food, like a ton of food. He's a teenage boy, so growing. What else? Spare tire, again, heaviest wheel and tire that he could find. So, you know, there's that. So I wanted to be fair and throw that out there before you watch this, because ours is just like bone stock, and his is a, I said stage 4, but it's actually, oh yeah, also it's only a stage 3 RI. So there's that. Take all of this into consideration when you watch this video. What's happening?
We're going to race a stock CanAm Maverick X3 against the stage
5?
4 RI, I think.
It's stage 4? I thought it was
RI,
stage
4 RI.
A 4 what?
RI.
We're gonna do, we're doing a test right now. So we have a 2017 CanAm Maverick X3 RS stock, like super stock. Just picked it up 2 days ago. This one, beautiful, see? And racing a CanAm Maverick X3 2017 with the stage 5 RI. Okay, stage 4 RI. Let's do it. Okay, get ready. There's our competition. That's the 2017 CanAm Maverick X3 with the stage 4 RI. Let's see what happens. What up? Four-wheel drive. We'll do it on 3. Pretty solid to me. So yeah. Hi babe, stopping the video. Oh, so tricky. How'd that feel? I know, we're pretty badass, huh? We ordered triple black plus power. Weird.
Does it feel different?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can feel
Tell
it.
the viewers how it feels though.
It feels like I got beat by a new CanAm.
With an old driver though.
An old driver.
Not like old, I mean like seasoned.